Want to know how to reduce maintenance costs in manufacturing? Then you've come to the right place. Maintenance costs are a significant part of a manufacturer's expenses, and managing them effectively can have a substantial impact on the bottom line. Inefficient maintenance practices can lead to downtime, lost production, and increased expenses. But fear not. There are ways to keep these costs down. Stay tuned as we delve into 10 proven strategies to reduce these costs. Diving right in, our first strategy is preventive maintenance. This strategy is all about nipping problems in the bud before they escalate into costly repairs. Think of it as a regular health checkup for your machinery. It might seem like an unnecessary expense at first, but in the long run, it can save you a fortune in repair costs. Next up, we have regular equipment checks. No matter how robust your machinery may be, wear and tear is inevitable. Regular checks allow you to spot issues early on and address them before they cause significant damage. This strategy can help you avoid sudden breakdowns and prolonged downtime. Last but not least for this segment, we have adequate staff training. Empowering your staff with the right knowledge and skills not only improves productivity, but also reduces the risk of equipment misuse, which can lead to costly repairs. Implementing these strategies can significantly decrease your maintenance costs, but we're just getting started. Moving on to our fourth strategy, investing in high-quality equipment. While it may seem counterintuitive, spending a little more upfront on high-quality machinery can save you a lot in the long run. It's simple. Better equipment breaks down less often, thus reducing maintenance costs. Next up, we have utilizing technology. Modern technology provides tools that can improve efficiency and reduce the need for costly repairs. Software for predictive maintenance, for instance, can alert you to potential issues before they become expensive problems. Our sixth strategy is implementing a maintenance schedule. Regularly scheduled maintenance checks can prevent minor issues from escalating into major ones. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Lastly, for this segment, let's talk about ensuring a clean and safe work environment. A well-kept workspace not only reduces the risk of accidents, but also extends the life of your machinery. With these strategies, you are well on your way to cost-efficient manufacturing. Our eighth strategy is lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing is all about efficiency. It's about stripping away the unnecessary, honing in on what truly adds value, and streamlining your processes. By keeping your operation lean, you can reduce waste, improve productivity, and ultimately cut down on maintenance costs. Next, consider outsourcing maintenance when needed. Sometimes it's more cost-effective to bring in third-party specialists for certain maintenance tasks. They come equipped with the expertise and tools needed to do the job efficiently, saving you both time and money. Finally, we have continuous improvement. This is a strategy that encourages a culture of constant learning and adapting. By continuously monitoring performance, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing changes, you can keep your maintenance costs down in the long run. By implementing these strategies, you can greatly reduce your maintenance costs. But let's quickly recap what we've learned. Today, we've covered 10 strategies to reduce maintenance costs in manufacturing. From preventive maintenance to employee training, each strategy is a crucial cog in the money-saving machine. By implementing these tactics, you can significantly cut down on expenses, boosting your bottom line. But remember, it's a continuous process, and you need to stay ahead of the curve. So, there you have it, our 10 strategies to reduce maintenance costs in manufacturing. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and always remember, saving a penny on maintenance is like earning a penny in profit.